Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? It's Sign, Virgo. What are the messages for you? Queen of Swords, King of Swords. You are a very powerful couple and you are equal at every level. You both are equal. And under the deck, the Emperor, Five of Swords with Justice and Page of Pentacles. I think maybe a lot of arguments between you and your person right now. They backstabbed on you, cheated on you, for some third party involved in this connection. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life because there is no clarity in this relationship, Virgo. At the same time, you don't want to make any move towards your person due to your ego, maybe your self-respect. So Emperor, you are taking your control back. But there are some disturbances, fightings between you and your person. So let's see your reading, recent past. Temperance, Hierophant and the Fool. You are patiently waiting for something. You want to restore the balance within yourself. For some, there are some commitment issues between you and your person because the Hierophant is here. And maybe you are waiting for new beginnings with your person if you are in separation with. And you are going with the flow and living in the present moment. In past, maybe you are trying to be in the present moment because you are fed up with waiting. Maybe for some, you are waiting on your person for commitment. Then present, King of Cups, Queen of Swords and Two of Pentacles. Maybe someone new, brand new person is coming into your life for some. For some, you still have strong emotions towards this person, but you are taking your control back because there is no clarity. They always keep putting you in waiting mode. You are juggling here. That's why right now you are taking your control back and you are setting healthy boundaries to them. And Two of Pentacles. Yes, you want to make some decision regarding this relationship, Virgo, but you are unable to take. You are indecisive right now. You are juggling. Maybe you are juggling between head over your heart. Then future, Page of Cups, King of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. Someone is coming back with an apology. For some, children also involved in this connection. But you want to give clarity. For some, you don't want to talk them. And Queen of Pentacles, you are very sharing and caring person. Right now, you are concentrating on your career, on your abundance, Virgo. I think you both are Queen of Swords and King of Swords. There is harsh communication between you and your person, maybe for some. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Wheel of Fortune, 10 of Swords and the Star and 8 of Swords. Right now your person may be feeling stuck, but they're waiting for right time. Virgo, they're waiting for divine timing. And 10 of Swords, they want rebirth in this connection. Yeah, for some, there is one type of ending between you and your person, the Star. They still have hopes on this connection. The person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Virgo. Okay, 5 of Cups, 10 of Wands, and Ace of Swords, 10 of Swords with Star, and 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. Now your person want to work on this relationship. At the same time, they are missing you so much. 5 of Cups energy. Their emotions are running high. They can't control their emotions because 10 of Wands, emotions are running high. And Ace of Swords. So they want to communicate with you and they want to give clarity, some truth coming out. So they're planning to communicate with you. Right now, their emotions are running high. For some, maybe right now your person is busy, feeling overburdened. For some, it has become hard work for them. So let's see their intentions. Virgo. Their intentions towards you. 7 of Cups, High Priestess with 3 of Cups and 4 of Cups with 5 of Pentacles and 2 of Wands. Virgo, they are missing you so much. And 5 of Pentacles, they are suffering in silence. Maybe in past, they neglected you. They treated you as an option. Now they're realizing their mistake and they're thinking about you a lot. For some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah. So their intention 7 of Cups, High Priestess and 3 of Cups. Right now your person dreaming about you a lot, fantasizing, and they want reconciliation with you. And High Priestess, they started listening to their intuition, trusting their higher self. For some third party involved in this connection, third party means friends, family or other man, other woman. So yeah, right now they are missing you and they want reconciliation with you. They are planning to communicate with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, your person is at some crossroads. Yeah, but they do love you. Maybe they're realizing your love or your worth. They do love you. That's why they're juggling. That's why they're thinking. That's why they're confused. They're feeling stuck, but they do have romantic feelings for you. And right now they're missing you. They're badly missing you, Virgo, and they do love you. For some, your person not unable to make a move towards you right now. Right now, this is a temporary energy. Right now, your person feeling stuck, but they do love you. They're realizing your love, your value. Maybe for some, they're scared also. Yeah, communication, Page of Wands and Ace of Swords. There is a chance for communication. For some, age differences between you and your person, and Ace of Swords. You want clarity from your person, and yes, for some there is a chance for text or communication. For some, you are taking your control back. For some, you still waiting on this person also, and death. Yeah, there is one type of ending between you and your person, but you both are thinking about each other a lot, especially you also thinking about them a lot. So let's see mutual. Okay. Maybe your person is very good looking. Yeah, Justice with 2 of Wands and 9 of Cups and 5 of Pentacles. Maybe one person treated other person as an option in this connection. It could be you or your person, but you both wishing for the same. 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment, second chances. I think you both are thinking about second chances with each other, and you both are thinking about each other a lot. And 2 of Wands. For some, maybe you both have options. Yeah, there is some decision making in near future, but you both are wishing for the same. So let's see some messages from your person end through the channel, Virgo. I'm serious about you. I'm crazy about you. Friendship, please wait for me. And healing, all I want is you. I'm serious about you. I'm crazy about you. Friendship, please wait for me. Healing, and all I want is you. So these are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Have faith in your dreams. So if you're dreaming about something, first you have to believe. Have faith. Definitely your dreams will come true. Other message, work through your fears. New moon in Scorpio, Scorpio energy. So if you have any fears, first you have to overcome. You have to work on your fears. Especially new moon in Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.